In this video, we'll show you how to set up an online auction on your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. To get started running an online auction, you'll need to have an event set up. If you don't already have one, browse to Admin, Events, and click Add Event. Then fill in the basic details. Full information for creating a new event can be found in the link below. Once this is completed, you can get started right away by adding auction lots. From your event management menu, select Auction Lots, and you will be taken to your auction management page for this event, where you can see any auction lots already created and add new ones. To add a new item, click the Add Auction button. We've got some lots already entered for demonstration that we can run through now. First, you'd enter a name for the lot in the name field. Then enter a sort order. This will allow you to sort the auction lots into your preferred order. Auction lots are sorted in ascending order. Bid increments. You can enter a bid increment in the bid increment field. Although the default is £1, this can be any amount. This field is not required, however, if you are running a blind auction. Enter a description for the lot in the free text description field. Enter start and end dates. You can click on the calendar icon to choose a date and time. Then enter a start price. Your customers must bid higher than this amount. Then enter a reserve price for the auction. By default, your auction will be set to display. If at any time you need to remove this item from your auction, you can uncheck this option. If you would like to run a blind auction where all bids are sealed and nobody knows what anyone else is bidding, please check the blind auction checkbox. To start an auction online and then conclude manually at an event, check the Conclude at Event checkbox. When bidding is finished online, you can export all your data and conclude the bidding with a real live auctioneer at your event. If you are running a traditional auction, i.e. not a blind auction, then you can check the Hide Bidder Name checkbox to hide the names of those that are bidding. If you don't choose to hide the names will be masked when displayed to your community. If you would like to hide the reserve notices, for example, Reserve Not Met, so they are not displayed to your community, then check the Hide Reserve Notice checkbox. You can upload an image for your auction lot from your local device. For new lot, you would click the Add Auction button. Once the auction lot has been set up, you can make any changes to it by clicking on the name of the auction or Edit Auction from your auction management menu. Initially, when your auction lot is created, it will show in red. This is because it has no bids. If your auction item has no bids, you can delete it by selecting Delete from your auction management menu. To view the bid history of any auction lots, click View Bid History from your auction management menu. The auction lots will show on your homepage between the start and end dates defined. Clicking on either the View Events button or on the number of auction lots will take you to see the event detail page, where you can see all the lots up for auction. And that's it, you have now successfully added an online auction to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.